This 2026 Venture Sporttrek 312 VTB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new venture is 38 feet 5 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, TV, LP detector, smoke detector, leveling jacks, air conditioning, TV antenna, slide-out, external shower, refrigerator, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture Sporttrek 312 VTB is 10,590 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.